we are again in the amazingly poor lighting of my kitchen. With an iPhone, it doesn't seem to want to focus on me or adjust the light correctly so it can see me, but so you know what's going on. It's bottling time! Right now, we're boiling the priming sugar so that we can bottle beer. We've been sanitizing beer bottles. I need to pull them out and give them a chance to cool before I put them in the sanitizer. Because you don't want hot bottled in cold water, am I right? So we got the bubbling of the priming sugar, which looks fantastic. I've already sanitized everything. Got my bottling bucket and my bottle caps, which have been sitting in sanitizer. Got the siphon. I'm gonna try this right now. You wanna watch? Let's try it out. Did that.
What did you do?
I just dumped all of this sanitizer down the sink.
Why?
I don't know. Well, because I was ready to start. I didn't know where to put it. Thankfully I put some more in here, so I have some left. But I still need to.
You dumped all that sanitizer down the sink?
Yeah. I mean, I used most of it. But I was ready to use the siphon. I got excited and I didn't think about what I was doing. Now I got it.
Amateur.
I know. Now we get to see what, maybe someday, if I can get this thing off here. Let's start with this. The air locker. Oh, shoot. Oh, here we go. Here it comes.
Should get a shot of that.
Oh man, it smells really good. Check it out. Downtown in Loggertown. Woo! Alright. This is gonna be nice, and it already smells really good. It smells like beer, folks. That's what we wanted. Alright, so now I'm going to siphon to the best of my abilities some beer into this other bucket. This could prove.
Do you need help?
Okay, put this bad boy down. They said don't go all the way in because you'll get all the nastiness.
Oh, it's gonna come out everywhere, babe.
I've never done this before. I'm siphoning. Slowly filling up. Crap.
You forgot to add the sugar, didn't you?
Yep. So I'm sanitizing my bottles now. I'm insisting on going out of order. I want to make sure that I do one of the steps. What's really good from running them in the dishwasher is that it broke up a bunch of crap, because some of them had a bunch of sediment and stuff still left in the bottom. Of course, the idea is to wash the bottles and remove the label way before this. So continuing with the tradition of me doing everything out of order like I always do, I forgot to put the sugar in to the siphon. So I'm going to pour the sugar in and then finish doing the siphon. I've already sanitized all the bottles. And that was fun, I guess. So anyway. Continue doing the siphon some more. Pretty cool, this whole siphoning thing. See down in there? It's just going by gravity. Gravity's fun. It exists. Gravity exists, people. Not to go off on a tangent. Not really covering this part because it's the least interesting part. And a little bit left at the bottom of the barrel. You know what? I tried to save it, but it's probably not worth it. So now what they say to do is get your magic wand out, get all the sanitizer out of it, put it in a really stubborn tube that doesn't want anything to go in it. All right, now here comes the fun part. I'm just gonna slide this little guy in here like this, all the way to the bottom. And watch my levels. I'm gonna crank the spout of the beer. It's gonna go in. And not out, because I need to be lower. The power of gravity. I figured it out. Turns out I was pushing too hard. And it's designed this way so you don't get beer everywhere. These people are geniuses. And fill it all the way up. And you let go and take it out. And it's the perfect fill. You take the little spider guy, he comes down, clamps down, and crimps. And you got yourself a bottle of beer. And there. Last one. The estimation of how much beer I was going to have in the end was a bit generous. I think I'm about a 6-pack short. And incidentally, these shorter bottles, these Lagunitas bottles, no, don't use them. They don't cap well, and I wasted a lot of caps. Fortunately, I had just enough since I didn't make as much beer as I thought I would. Still, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nearly 8 6-packs. That's 6 times 8 is 48. Minus 1 is 47. 47 bottles of beer on the wall. That's still pretty good. So we're done. And now in a couple of weeks, I'll crack these babies open and see how they taste. I had a little bit of a taste because I kind of sipped a little bit. I mean, you're supposed to taste when you're cooking, right? So I sipped, and it tastes good. So I'm looking forward to busting. Why did I say busting? I'm looking. What is it? So I'm looking forward to popping a few tops, and stay tuned for that. We'll let you know how that turns out.